More than just a modern mid-engine supercar, the 2024 Maserati MC20 represents a return to the Trident brand's core ethos. Eschewing the part spin and pretty wrapper designs of the previous decade, admittedly, a bin with some occasionally spectacular parts, the MC20 blazes its own trail to supercar status. Featuring a carbon fiber structure, an advanced Maserati design's 621 horsepower twin-turbo V6, and a chassis with enough grip to rearrange your internal organs, its mission is clear. Its slinky Italian-esque supercar shape and butterfly-style doors have passers-by staring at it, just like they do at Ferraris and Lamborghinis. The MC20 Cielo Spider retracts the roof at the touch of a button, allowing for open-air cruising. That purity of mission extends to the minimalistic interior, where you'll find smooth, soft shapes and few extraneous controls. There's also a dearth of driver assistance, common fare like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Of course, all the typical supercar concerns are present. Though the seating is comfortable and its suspension is forgiving enough for the occasional road trip, luggage capacity is limited to just enough space for a couple of hand-tooled leather attaches, stuffed with the currency of your choice. So be it. From the view out the windshield to its cacophony of wild engine sounds to its butt-kicking performance, the MC20 is made for hardcore enthusiast drivers with the money to indulge themselves in a car with overwhelming character. What's new for 2024? The big news for 2024 is the arrival of Maserati's Fuoriserie Essentials collection to the 2024 MC20 lineup. A bespoke styling program curated by select tastemakers and friends of the Trident Maserati, called on global brand ambassador David Beckham to apply his taste to the 2024 Maserati MC20 Coupe and MC20 Cielo convertible. The results include a night interaction blue exterior finish paired with a tan interior, said to be inspired by the classic 1967 Maserati Ghibli Coupe, and the Verde Royale dark green exterior, over warm brown leather upholstery, inspired by the 1986 Maserati Quadrupert Royale. Both are accompanied by the requisite commemorative interior plate documenting their awesomeness. Although only 50 are to exist globally, the MC20 also gains a not limited edition. The Not or Night, as it translates to English, is meant to celebrate the history of Maserati. The dramatic appearance package is presented in matte black paint and has been given white gold logos instead of silver. Mechanically, the MC20 Coupe and MC20 Cielo convertible continue unchanged. Engine, transmission, and performance. Power for the MC20 Coupe and Cielo come from a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 rated for 621 horsepower and 538 pound-feet of torque. Dubbed Nettuno, the engine represents a new purpose-built design engineered in Modena by Maserati, sidestepping the previous practice of using engines adapted from corporate siblings. Featuring a unique twin combustion system borrowed from Formula One race cars, the 90-degree V6 engine is paired exclusively with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Maserati claims 207.6 horsepower per liter, a metric that puts it in league with other high-end supercar makers like Lamborghini, Ferrari, McLaren, and Porsche. In CD testing, the MC20 hit 60 miles per hour in 3.2 seconds and knocked off the quarter mile in 11.0 seconds, clearing the traps at 131 miles per hour. In addition to blisteringly quick acceleration, the MC20's handling is race car sharp. Despite this, the MC20 won't punish you with an overtly harsh ride, flinty handling, or unforgiving throttle response. With the adaptive suspension set in its most comfortable mode, the chassis is forgiving enough to consider driving it daily or taking it on a road trip. Maserati also says an all-electric variant of the MC20 with all-wheel drive will hit the market in short order, but hasn't released any technical details regarding the battery or electric motors yet. That said, we expect to hear more about the EV models sooner than later. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. Fuel economy is an afterthought in the realm of high-powered exotics and sports cars, and the MC20 doesn't upset the algorithm. EPA rated for 15 miles per gallon city and 25 miles per gallon highway. It's slightly less ludicrous than some supercar players. The Lamborghini Huracan is rated at 15 miles per gallon city and 18 miles per gallon highway. And the Bentley Continental GTW12 at 12 and 20 miles per gallon, for instance, but you won't win any hypermiling competitions. When we get a chance to put the MC20 through our real-world highway fuel economy test route, we'll update this story with test results. For more information about the MC20's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Once you get past the upward opening butterfly-style dihedral doors, the MC20 reveals itself to be a driver-focused design, refreshingly free of gimmickry and extraneous features that might distract from the core driving experience. The overall interior design is clean and minimalist, the carbon fiber finished central tunnel sporting only a few critical controls, with the drive mode selector being the most prominent. Upscale materials include leather seats with contrasting stitching, aluminum pedals, and carbon fiber trim. A rear-facing camera is employed to provide improved rearward visibility by feeding the image to a frameless rearview mirror mounted in the traditional windshield location. Helpful to be sure, similar tech is already in use by numerous manufacturers. Luggage capacity is limited to just 5 cubic feet total between the front and rear cargo areas. Infotainment and connectivity. Although most of Maserati's current lineup uses a reskinned version of Fiat Chrysler's Uconnect infotainment system, the MC20 serves as the launchpad for the brand's new MIA, Maserati Intelligent Assistant, multimedia system, which uses Google's Android Automotive operating system. The new interface is projected upon a 10.3-inch horizontally oriented touchscreen tucked under the air vents in the center of the dashboard. A second 10.3-inch display serves as the gauge cluster. The Maserati Connect app provides 24/7 information regarding vehicle health and service status via smartphone or smartwatch or Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant at home. A 6-speaker audio system is standard, a Sonar Fabus 12-speaker system is available. Safety and driver assistance features. Few driver assistance features are available on the MC20, as its focus is on performance rather than day-to-day use. For more information about the MC20's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IAS, websites. Key safety features include available blind spot monitoring, warranty and maintenance coverage. Though MC20 is undeniably special, the standard warranty package is not. It has the same coverage as the other Maserati models, which is average for the industry. Rivals such as the Audi R8 and the Porsche 911 deliver slightly more value here, as both offer the first scheduled maintenance visit free of charge. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance.